Money Matters. My name is Sanika Kothari, and today I will be talking to you about interest. Interest can be viewed in two different ways. One way interest can be viewed is the charges you have to pay for borrowing money. Interest in this type of scenario is usually expressed as an annual percentage rate, or APR. Another way interest can be viewed is the charges a financial institution, such as a bank or a lender, give to you for letting them use your money. Interest is usually expressed as a percentage. There are two main types of interest: simple and compound. Although we will go over more about these two types and compare them in a future video, let's go over some of the basics of them right now. Simple interest is interest only on the original principal of the loan. A principal is the amount of loan you either borrowed, lent to someone, or kept in a financial institution. Compound interest is interest on both the original principal and the interest that is being paid on that loan. You're essentially paying interest on your interest. In the real world, compound interest is used more than simple interest and has more practical applications. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment down below what you know about interest. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to contact us at moneymattersforever@gmail.com. And until next time, keep in mind, money matters.